Welcome to today's free course on how to start dropshipping using AI. My name is Isabella and I became a millionaire thanks to the power of online business. It has never been easier to start this business model thanks to the power of AI. And I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to maximize it. Dropshipping was one of the first online business models that I ever got into, and it truly changed my life financially. Not just mine, but so many of you guys as well have been getting crazy results after watching my free courses. You guys already know I always love to find new things to show you guys. Nobody's got you like I got you. You guys already know people are out here charging thousands of dollars for courses just like this, and all I ask in exchange for the free education that I put you guys onto 100% free on my YouTube channel is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. So we're gonna use the power of AI to launch this business in 3 easy steps. We're first gonna build our online store. We're gonna find winning products to sell and automate our store. And we're even gonna use the power of AI to help us create content and start getting sales. Here's how dropshipping works for any beginners here. You find a product to sell from a supplier, which will use AI product research tools to find what's trending and selling a lot of right now. You list it on your online store for a price higher than the supplier's price. So let's just say the product costs you from your supplier $10, then the customer buys that from you for $60, then your supplier ships that product to the customer without you even having to touch the products, and you keep the profits. So step number 1, guys, let's build our online store. It's never been easier to do this because AI can literally help you do this in less than 5 minutes, 100% free. I put the link for this down in my description box below, and once you click that link, it will bring you to this page. So you're gonna just enter in your email here and just click build my free store. You're gonna just put in the rest of your information here. Then we're going to select your niche. Now, don't worry if you don't know 100% what your niche is. You're gonna just pick the one that interests you the most. We can always switch this up later. For this free course, I'm gonna go ahead and just click fashion and apparel. Then we're going to choose a banner. Again, this is something you can change later, so no pressure. Don't get stuck on this. And now we're going to create a new Shopify account to host this online store in. And right now, if you use this link, you're gonna get 3 months for only $1. So make sure you sign up through this link right here. So click Access Shopify. We're going to type in our email and click Start Free Trial. Just click Skip for all of these. And here you're going to want to select where your dropshipping store will be located in. In my case, it's United States, and then just finish up the sign up process and click Create Shopify Account. Once we're signed up with Shopify, we're gonna go back into the AI Store Builder and click Done. Now let's go back to our Shopify tab, go up to the link here, and just copy this link up here. Then go back to the Store Builder where it says Store URL, paste the link here, and then click Save. Then you're gonna click Done. In this next step, we're gonna just click Access Shopify again. And this part is very important because at this stage, we're gonna select the plan. If we don't have the plan ready, then we won't be able to continue any further. So let's sign up, and this will get you 3 months for only $1. For your business address, guys, I always just put my own address. And then once my business started getting sales, I bought like a cheap virtual address online. Nobody can see this but you. Then go back into the AI Store Builder tab and click Done one more time. Now we just need to install this Store Builder app into our Shopify page. This is really easy. Just click Install App and then click Install again. And now click Customize My Store. And now the AI is building our store for us. Now let's go back to Shopify. Go to Online Store, Preferences, scroll down, and just make sure, guys, you turn off this password protection on the store so your store can actually go live and then people can actually find your store to shop with you. So now you can see we have our full online dropshipping store ready to go. And this looks so professional. This normally would have had taken literally an hour at least to create an online store that looks this good. It has everything you guys need here: your About Us page, shipping policy, return policy, order tracking, and everything you need to look like a legitimate business. Obviously, you're going to want to customize the store a little bit more by just changing the store name, the logo, maybe some of the policy pages here as well. And we can do that by just going to the Shopify dashboard, click Online Store, click Customize. And as an example, let's scroll down and change our shipping policy. So now that you're in the customization area, click on the shipping policy box. And on the right-hand side, you'll see where you can change whatever you want. So instead of the 1 to 2 business days, we can do the 3 to 5 business days. Now that's all set, just read through everything else here and you'll want to make any other changes here. And once you're done with any other changes, now just click on Save. You guys will want to play around with this a little bit more, obviously, yourself. It's actually fun to do these things. It's not a pain. It's actually fun to go through and customize this and just make it look really great. So now you guys can see our store looks so much more professional. You can add your own logo there through the settings, your name, and now our online store is ready to go. Now I'm going to help you find your winning products for your online store. So the best way to analyze the entire market of what's going on right now using the power of AI is this one single tool. It's an all-in-one app called AutoDS. Let me show you guys how it kind of works so you can see if it's worth it for you. So let's start off here in the TikTok Analytics tab. TikTok Shop has become the new Amazon if you haven't already seen. And here we can analyze what products are selling like crazy there. And if they're doing good there, they have a higher chance of doing good in your own branded store. So I just love all the insight we have here. Then we'll head over to Marketplace. There's even more product research sections that they have that I use for all my product research. The handpicked products, the ad spy, the trending products. You can go through all of these and I'll show you guys a little bit of each as well. So the handpicked product tab is where you can find all the different products that AutoDS has available. And you can see they have a bunch of different categories here. You can narrow down your search by country, price range, and category. And they also have this fast shipping button, which will show you all the products with the fastest shipping times. And some of these products, like most of them have like crazy fast shipment times, like literally 2 days, which is exactly what we need. And they also update these like every single day, which is really awesome. And when you pull up a product you're interested in, you can scroll down and you'll see all the data here, which gives you insight on how to price the product, shows you what the profit of the product is, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now. That way, once you find a product that you're interested in, you can actually validate it with these tools. Then you know that you have a winner. They also have this spy tool feature called the ad spy, which is a little similar to the TikTok analytic. They also have this spy tool feature called the ad spy, which is a tool that allows you to oversee active TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads and content that's performing well on the platform. By using this feature, you are able to get tons of insights on what's trending there, and it gives you inspiration for products to add to your own store. So you can see what's selling right now on TikTok here. And also guys, this platform, like I said, it's all in one platform. It also automates your store. So you guys can see under this tab, the automation tab, once you get a sale, your supplier will ship your product straight to the buyer without you having to do any extra work on your end. And you are able to fully set this up through AutoDS. Another option this system has is product customization. Meaning you can have your own products here and actually stamp a brand on top when you're ready for that. I don't recommend that for right beginners. Like you guys have to start getting sales first, but once you're getting consistent sales, it's a very, very smart thing to do. If you want to try this out, I'll put the link down in my description box below for this platform. If you use that link down below, you'll get an entire month for only $1. Now that we have our online store and supplier, we can use ChatGPT to make our logo and our name for our business. We could totally brainstorm with ChatGPT that way. Just describe what type of products you're selling or deciding on selling or thinking about selling to ChatGPT to brainstorm with it. And it'll come up with a bunch of different names for your business. Pick one of those names and then ask ChatGPT to generate a logo for it. And in minutes, ChatGPT's got your back. It'll literally generate a full logo for you that you can use for your business. So definitely saving you a lot of money there for sure. So step number 3 is properly branding your store and actually generating an entire brand, not just starting an online store. Like we have to think, guys, what worked 10 years ago of just having like this general store, that does not work anymore. You want to specifically pick a niche for your store and stick with that. That way you're actually building an actual community around your business as you grow. Then once you have a specific niche, for example, let me give you an example, like the non-toxic lifestyle niche, people relate with products. You can educate them like, hey, this is toxic, use this instead. And by doing that, you're able to generate an entire audience and community of people around your business that are interested in buying from you because they know that you have their back as far as specific products that are non-toxic versus some that could be. Or even somebody that really cares about their skin. You know, if you start educating and you post educational posts and maybe you have some kind of background in that, or you just really become an expert by just researching it online. We have access to so much knowledge nowadays. You as a brand are selling the solutions. You're fixing the insecurities. You are attracting those people. Educational content, emotional storytelling, high quality products is literally instant brand authority to grabbing people and grabbing customers. And as far as marketing goes and actually getting sales, you have 2 options here. A lot of times people just be like, buy ads, spend the money, buy the ads. I did not start that way, guys. I have never bought a single ad because for me, I just thought it was unnecessary. I rather scale organic content. And it's not just me that succeeds with this, tons of others as well. But the thing is, on YouTube especially, not a lot of people actually will teach it because they don't even know themselves. A lot of people yap and want to teach business and they've never actually had a business. So when it comes to like actually marketing, I created an entire free playlist for you guys on my YouTube channel all about organic marketing, which is literally how to get sales with $0. Because even if you start buying ads, you still need a good video, a good ad creative to even invest with the ad. So you have to kind of learn that skill anyways. It's just plugging it in a different way. So I created an entire free playlist for you guys on my YouTube channel where you can study organic marketing. So definitely go watch that playlist if you haven't already. I know people that have spent thousands of dollars on ads and have made absolutely nothing. So I refuse for that to be you. And since we're using AI for this, there's so many AI platforms nowadays that can create UGC videos for you, that can create ad scripts for you, that can create Instagram carousels for your business. It is so crazy how the possibilities are literally endless nowadays for AI systems. Many of them are free. You just start Googling and finding a bunch. It's crazy how it's just never been an easier time to actually start a business than it is right now. Again, guys, go watch that playlist if you haven't already. Go study those videos. It's too much to include in one video. I show you literally everything you need in that playlist. So nobody's got you like I got you. You already know, if you haven't already, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already for more 100% free courses and education for you guys. If you have any questions that we didn't cover today, feel free to comment down below and I try to answer all of my comments. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well. My Instagram is Baddie and Biz, Baddie and Biz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you guys all the best and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.